What's going on, everyone? Nick here with a brand new update for Avengers Infinity War. So right now D23 is just getting set up as the convention is going to kick off this Friday and go over the weekend, and recently it was confirmed that Marvel Studios and Avengers Infinity War will have a presence at D23. So a couple of the photos right now have been surfacing from the Marvel Entertainment booth, and we actually got a pretty good look at Thanos as he's going to appear in the film. Now this statue is only partially completed because I think that it's part of like a larger display that's going to have other characters on it. They just haven't pulled the tarp off and revealed it in this shot. But right here we can see the Mad Titan himself standing with his fist up in the air, probably conquering triumphant over the Avengers. And I really do enjoy the pose and the statue and everything that they have for the character. And I actually do like his MCU costume. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the recent Thanos miniseries that Jeff Lemire has been doing, like his solo book. It reminds me a little bit of that kind of design, but it is its own unique twist for the MCU, of course, and I do like the coloring and everything. I think that it's going to be really cool what we're going to be getting over this weekend and of course next week with San Diego Comic-Con right there. So I'm wondering if Marvel is actually going to show off footage for Infinity War during D23, or if they're going to maybe just tease some stuff and then next week at Comic-Con they'll actually show like the full trailer and actually just blow everybody away, bring out the cast and everything. I don't know, but this image alone right here of Thanos is definitely getting me pumped up to see what they have in store for us this weekend and next week. So drop your thoughts down in the comment section below. What do you guys think of Thanos' costume for Avengers Infinity War, as this is the first full look that we're getting of him? I think we saw like his bust or something in some concept footage that they released a few months back, but this is a great shot of him in action. As always, thank you all for watching. My name is Nick, and for more coverage on D23 and San Diego Comic-Con regarding the MCU, subscribe to Hybrid Network.